Hello guys, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Veenora clip-on veneers. But before we get into that, I've got messages daily and hundreds of requests from you guys to check out products. And my guide shows you how to do this investigation yourself in just a few minutes. So the link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, we have it opened up here on Amazon and see that they're rated 1.9 out of 19 ratings. So I'm just gonna say this right off the bat that this veneers guys are a scam, since why would you order clip-on veneers online without actually measuring your own teeth? As you may already know, we have different teeth. All of us have different teeth. Nobody has the same set of teeth. So how can they accurately get your teeth right without actually measuring it online? So that is basically impossible for it to measure it online. You will need to go to a dentist for you to have veneers. So usually veneers are very expensive, and these are actually fake veneers. So as you can see, let's read some reviews here. Garbage, scam, won't buy again, poor instructions. You should know that the item people are looking for, not something that looks like it. Need proper directions, waste of money and time, and horrible. So this is what it actually looks like. So these are actually so bad. As you can see, this is what it actually looks like. It looks like toys. So as you can see here, also on Trustpilot, they're rated 2.6 out of 5 stars. So garbage, scam alert, and the list goes on. So please guys, refrain from buying veneers online. You should go to a dentist. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.